Hello everyone. I hope you all are fine. I welcome you all my adorable viewers. Today we are going to discuss sentence and its types. First of all, what is a sentence? Sentence is a group of words containing a subject and a verb that expresses a statement, a question, etc. Simply you may say that sentence is a group of words having some meaning. मीन्स सेंटेंस की है एक ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स है जिदा कोई मीनिंग होए. नाउ व्हाट आर वर्ड्स? वर्ड की है ग्रुप ऑफ लेटर्स और लेटर की है अ रिटन और प्रिंटेड साइन दैट रिप्रेजेंट्स अ साउंड इन अ लैंग्वेज. मीन्स ਲੈਟਰ ਇੱਕ ਰਿਟਨ ਜਾਂ ਪ੍ਰਿੰਟਡ ਸਾਈਨ ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਿਸੇ ਵੀ ਲੈਂਗੁਏਜ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਾਊਂਡ ਨੂੰ ਰਿਪਰੈਜ਼ੈਂਟ ਕਰਦਾ. ਇਨ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਵੀ ਕਾਲ ਇਟ ਅੱਖਰ. A sentence always begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop, question mark or exclamation mark. Means sentence हमेशा capital letter तो start होएगा और end full stop, question mark या exclamation mark नाल होएगा. Now what is a subject and verb? We have discussed that sentence is a group of words containing a subject and a verb. What is a subject? Subject means doer. Doer means who performs some action, ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕੋਈ ਕੰਮ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ. And what is a verb? A verb is the part of a sentence that tells us what the subject performs. Verb ਇੱਕ part ਹੈ sentence ਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਦੱਸਦਾ ਕਿ subject ਕੀ ਕੰਮ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ. Now types of sentences according to their purpose. Purpose ਦੇ according sentence ਦੀਆਂ ਕਿਹੜੀਆਂ types ਹੈ. First one is assertive or declarative. Second, interrogative. Third, imperative. Fourth, exclamatory. And fifth one is optative. Assertive sentences are also known as declarative sentences, positive sentences, or affirmative sentences. Declarative sentence is a sentence that makes a statement. In other words, it declares something. This kind of sentence is used to share information. It means declarative sentence ਕਿਹੜੇ sentence ਨੇ that declare something. Declare is to tell, ਜਿਹੜੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਕੁਝ ਦੱਸਦੇ ਹੈ. And this type of sentences are used to share information. और simply ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕੋਈ statement ਬਾਰੇ ਦੱਸਦੇ ਆ ਸਾਨੂੰ. Now part of declarative sentence. Declarative sentence ਦੇ ਕਿਹੜੇ parts ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ? First one is subject. We have already discussed what is a subject. A subject is what the sentence is about. It comes in the beginning of the sentence. Like doer. ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕੋਈ ਕੰਮ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ. The person who performs something. The second part is predicate. What is predicate? A predicate includes the verb and any other information in the sentence. Means first part हो गया subject, that is the doer, and ਜਿਹੜਾ बाकी सारा part रह गया, that is what you call predicate. Examples of the declarative sentences are the dog chased the boy. Chased is to follow. It is cloudy today. It is cloudy today means आज बदल छाए हुए हैं. And one more thing is there. When we are going to talk about weather, we always start the sentence with it. Like it is hot today. आज बहुत गर्मी है. It is very cold today. आज बहुत ठंड है. It is windy today. आज हनेरी चल रही है. So we always start the sentence with it when we are going to talk about the weather. Next sentence is she is my bosom friend. Bosom friend is very fast friend. After this, we are going to talk about negative sentences. Negative sentence is also a part of the declarative sentence. A negative sentence is a sentence that states that something is false or incorrect. Means negative sentence ਸਾਨੂੰ ਦੱਸਦੇ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਕੋਈ statement ਹੈ that is not true. And the examples of the same are he is not a workaholic. Workaholic means a person who loves work and does much of it. Means ਜਿਹੜਾ person ਕੰਮ ਕਰਨਾ ਪਸੰਦ ਕਰਦਾ, workaholic. सेकेंड इज शी कैन नॉट डू दिस टास्क, टास्क इज वर्क, वो ये काम नहीं कर सकती। दे विल नॉट स्पीक द ट्रुथ, वो सच नहीं बोलणगे। After this, we are going to talk about interrogative sentences. The second type is interrogative sentences. These sentences ask questions and they end with the question mark. As the name indicate, interrogate means to ask something, and these sentences ask questions. And the examples are, who are you, तुसी कौन हो? Where are you going, तुसी कित्थे जा रहे हो? How are you? The third type is imperative sentences. These sentences give commands. Command is order or make request. They always begin with verb. Means ਇਹ ਕਿਹੜੇ sentence ਨੇ imperative sentence ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੇ ਥਰੂ ਕੋਈ order ਹੋਇਆ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਜਾਂ request ਕੀਤੀ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ, and they always begin with start with some verb. Example is open the door, ਦਰਵਾਜ਼ਾ ਖੋਲੋ, do this work, ਇਹ ਕੰਮ ਕਰੋ, listen to me please, here is a request, please ਮੈਨੂੰ ਸੁਣੋ. And one more thing is that when we are using the word listen, it is always followed by to. Means ਜਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਅਸੀਂ listen word use ਕਰਨਾ ਉਹਦੇ ਬਾਅਦ ਵਿੱਚ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ to ਆਏਗਾ. And the fourth type is exclamatory sentences. These sentences express our emotions. ਇਹ ਵਾਲੇ sentence ਸਾਡੀਆਂ emotions, feelings ਨੂੰ express ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ. ਕਿਹੜੀਆਂ emotions? Emotions of happiness, wonder, wonder is surprise, anger, sorrow, sorrow is dukh, grief. These sentences always end with exclamation mark, और इन्ना sentence ਦੇ end ਤੇ हमेशा exclamation mark आएगा. The examples for the same are, wow, I really like it. What a lovely bouquet. Bouquet is a bunch of flowers. How fast you ran. Alas, I am ruined. What is the meaning of alas? Alas is a word that is used to express grief, sorrow, or pity. Means it expresses our feelings of sorrow. ਜਦੋਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਦੁਖੀ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਹਾਂ, when we are really very sad, then we use this word alas. Alas, I am ruined means ruined is ਤਬਾਹ ਹੋ ਜਾਣਾ, मैं बर्बाद हो गया. Bravo, well done. What is the meaning of the word bravo? Bravo is a word that people shout to show that they have enjoyed something that somebody has done. For example, a play. Means bravo expresses our feelings of happiness, joy, and usually we shout this word bravo, bravo, well done, and it is related with the play. Bravo, well done means shabash, बहुत ਵਧੀਆ ਕੀਤਾ. Bravo, shabash, ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਕੀਤਾ. Ouch, you trod my toe. Ouch. Now what is ouch? Ouch word is used when reacting to a sudden feeling of pain. When we are expressing that we are feeling pained, then we use this word. Ouch, you trod my toe. The fifth type is optative sentences. These sentences express a prayer, keen wish, curse, etc. Means ਜਿਹੜੇ sentence ਨੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਥਰੂ ਅਸੀਂ prayer ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ, keen wish ਆਪਣੀ desire express ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ, curse is ਸ਼ਰਾਪ ਜਾਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੂੰ ਸ਼ਰਾਪ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਹਾਂ. This kind of sentences generally starts with may and wish. ਇਹ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ may ਜਾਂ wish ਤੋਂ start ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ and end with exclamation mark. Like exclamatory sentences, they always end with exclamation mark. And the examples are, fear the Almighty, ਪਰਮਾਤਮਾ ਤੋਂ ਡਰੋ. Almighty is Almighty God. May God bless you, ਪਰਮਾਤਮਾ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਤੇ ਕਿਰਪਾ ਕਰੇ. Hope for the best, wish you a very successful married life, have a wonderful future. So that was all about the types of sentences according to their purpose. I hope you all understood it very well. I am thankful to you for listening to me. Thank you very much. Thank you, one and all.